Hey everybody, it's me, your boy, RJ, here, trying to show you how to place the light switch, and now it's not going to do it, but our light switch is going bad. We're like closing it, and then it's turning back on, and of course, y'all know how it is. It ain't going to do it now. Alright, first thing you need, possibly a flathead, definitely a Phillips. Sometimes these are Phillips, but, oh, there it goes, look. It's flipping on and off, and you're going to need some test lights. I got a really nice test pen, expensive one. I can't think of the name right now, but I can't find it. So right now we're going to just use this. So first thing we're going to do while it's still open, when I turn up the power, is take off this cover. Some people probably would turn it off before doing this, but I'm wanting to see what size light switch we got back here, because I have two over here to replace with. Them screws is rusty. Ka-chow. Alright, so there we go. It's a big fatty, so I can use this nicer 20 amp switch to replace. But I also had a little cheapie to go in there in case, not a little even cheapie. We're going to go with the heavy duty GE 20 amp self-grounding clip included. Quick installs with my properly grounded metal box. Is it properly grounded? Probably not, because this house built in the 60s and everything's screwed up. But yeah, next step is gotta go downstairs, flip off the power. So this is going to be very helpful to have a second person, because if not, you got to go up, down, unless your circuit box is the greatest ever and has like every single thing written out on it. But ours isn't. When we got the house, it didn't have anything. I've been having to add it as we find them. So I'm gonna go downstairs, flip this. You're gonna use the phone, so we're gonna cut this off and talk through the speaker through. See you in a few. All right, everybody. Forgot the next thing. You're gonna need a headlamp. All right, so I'm gonna pull this bad boy out. As you see, I need not a Phillips. It is a flathead again. Don't lose these because you don't need them to put everything back. As you can see, these light switches have been here for 12,000 years. They're old and painted in. All the paint, the screws don't want to come out. There we go. Put them in my pockets so I don't lose them. Got that. Alright, now what we're going to do here is test to make sure these are dead. And look at that thing, that is old. Okay. So we're going to, if we ground, put that in there. I'm going to pull it apart. That's much easier. Don't touch it, okay? Still could be hot. You never know. So much stuff in our house is wired badly that it is like off by one breaker, but then not. Very, very common in this stupid house. Okay, and I brought two tests just in case my test isn't working, so that I don't die. So we're good. Now we're going to grab this guy. Alright, we're going to go with this. It looks like I'm having a little trouble getting this guy out here. I have to go get my wire stripper, which I probably should have thought of. We're going to need that too. Alright, so you're going to need a wire stripper. Yep, that was a jumper wire. Great. So they had a rigged up little bull crap jumper wire here. Do you see this? That is sucky. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take this. Okay. I'm going to take this here and I'm going to twist it on and then use it in the jumper. That was the one in the jumper. So I'm gonna go grab my wire stripper. I forgot. That boy's gonna go in there. That.
Set it back in your hand.
Yeah. I'm gonna fold this around. Whoop! Dang it, man! Why couldn't I just have this stuff set up better?
Nothing in this house is
I
set
know.
up right.
So that guy's gonna go there, so I need to take this and fold it around. A little more curve. Alright, get that guy on there. Fold it down. Some tools you got there, and try to get it all the way so there's Phillips. Time in once you got it rested down in there well. Okay, that guy's gonna go there. I'm gonna see if I can get this guy to fold on here. It looks like we got enough, but I'm gonna take a little more off there. We have to run this wire around this way. You get in there, you can usually do that, and then you rest it like that. That's how you do it if you get it good. But I was having trouble with the first one. See, you don't even need the wire tool if you strip everything like that, and it holds it in place for you. Okay. If you can, take your little piece of wire, ground it into the back of this box. Into that hole like that, you put a screw. Right here, there's one already here, right there. See it? So actually, I think I'm gonna go find a piece of ground wire and ground this to that screw right there. Okay, that's the proper way to have it. Wire. Get in there, it's the ground, so it doesn't matter if there's a little right there. It's good. Okay. Strip that. It's big enough. Like so. I should take a little more off there. We're gonna put this in there. Undo a little. If you got the time and patience, you can pull all this stuff out of here and clean up the crappy old wiring of whatever the heck they did here before. You got these like 6 wires coming into one spot. Okay. We need it to go here, so I'm going to give it. Let's try it there. It's too long. I can cut a little off still. Okay. Okay, that's the grounding screw that's on the side. See that there? Okay, so just to have it hooked up, it's gonna be, you can't do the bending easy now, so.
not a video without Leia barking.
I know. Yeah, if you don't watch our channel, there's no video without that dog barking. I need in again. I just went out. Come on. Let's see if I can get that so it's super tight. I'll take that screw out, it looks like. Why is that such a tight fit there? Like overly tight. Where that ground screw is. Alright, but does not want to come out at all. It's gonna fight you a little in that angle, there's not much. So you use your screwdriver. Don't crush your finger like I was doing. Tighten that bad boy up, make sure it's in place. Okay, where'd I put that wire cap? Right there. Okay, so we're going to have to bring this down. Meet up these 4 friggin' wires on one cap. It works, but what a mess. Hopefully they're all getting crushed well in there. Okay. And I'm going to go flip it on. I know which one it is now. And we'll be right back, okay? Alright, buddy. That's it. It's in. Right? It worked. I've re-grounded it, like I said, to make it a little better. We got to push this in. I'm going to fight a little bit because that new wire I put in is straight. So you need to put something in there and bend it so that as you shove it in there, it can flex.
There's live parts to it.
I don't know, man.
Sticking your thing in there.
Me, you mean?
Yeah.
Telling them? Yeah, I know, that's why. But I left that ground wire straight, so it was fighting going back in the wall. Alright, and this comes with new screws, so you're good. Still a little tight, so you have to fight it. Okay. It's a really simple project. Did I step on you?
No, I took it.
That you can do yourself. That seems unmanageable. It's electric, it's scary, ooh. Just make sure you have 2 people. Circuit breaker. Make sure you have 2 lights. I wanted my better one in one of these because you never know if some reason your light isn't working. That's why I do like these that are not battery powered. The battery powered could falsely make you think it's working. But I have a few. I was going to grab it now. I'm going to grab both those. It's 2 of them because you never know if your tester's broke for sure. I mean, I guess you can know. You can go stick it in an outlet and it'll let you know. And if it lights up, test it before. But it's still always best to have 2 of them. Just in case. And as long as your house is already wired, I mean, there you go. It's just it. It's just switch out where it was to where it was and hope that they didn't do things wrong. But if they did, your house would have probably had problems years ago. Okay? Put this junky one back on. We're going to do one day. We always say we are. Oh, no. Oh, I see. It's me. It's me.
Yeah.
What's going on here?
You can tell by looking at it, they're a little crooked.
Yeah, I'm a little crooked sometimes. There we go, a little more over. Okay, that's what these are here for. So these screws, they slide, and there's a reason because sometimes you're not all the way over right. This one could be pushed too far, that one, you gotta make them match. So, there you go. Put them in. Looks like we need to go, what? Is that right? It's just, I tightened it more is what it is. See this? This one's out further. Mm-hmm. See how much I tightened it in? Mm-hmm. It just doesn't stick out as far. Look at it. Is that good?
No, you can tell it's over a little too much to the left.
All right.
Just
yep, I see it.
hair.
So take that, loosen. There you go. tighten when you get it. There it goes. There we go. But it is not sticking out as far. You can see it's actually like a recessed. The thing is recessed.
Well, so is that one a little bit because
it is, but it's out more because it's out. See how it's out, and now it's not even all the way in the wall. So you could try to loosen that and let it give itself a little more. So it's the problem is it might push itself over. There you go. That gave it a little room. There we go. It's better. All right, everybody. So recap. You're gonna need a headlamp. Might need it down in your basement, flip switches. You're gonna need a wire stripper, which I should have said it first. You're gonna need a Phillips and a flathead and 2 testers. Now these testers are nice. These are cheap. Okay, very cheap, like $2 at the store. Okay, and it does all the volts, see, AC and DC. So these are cheap. You don't have to go out and spend those expensive ones.
AC, DC.
No, okay. I was like, what are you doing? There you go. It's on.
Oh, I touched that.
I know. I'm just doing it. It's still flickering a little.
I think it's this light.
The light bulb?
Yeah,
okay.
that
bulb. The one that's a different
that's
color?
That smart light bulb?
Smart light bulb, that is it. That's what's wrong with it. What do you mean? Is it like...
It's a one from
you can hit your phone and stuff? Oh, that's what it is. Alright, so there's the switch. The kids put in one of those colors. Light bulbs. See how they have a different color? That can change with your phone and make the room. And I don't know why they put it in there. Okay, so that's it. There it is. Easy thing. It's a quick, easy thing. This light switches. This is like $1.97. You put a Eaton in, it'll work fine. Okay? This is a 15 amp. So I got the heavy duty 20 amp just because it's in the bathroom. You know what? That one will probably should get 15 because it's in the bathroom, but whatever. We're good. Okay? That's it. These, like I said, are cheap. That one was probably like $6.97. You want a flat head and a Phillips because you don't know what you're going to have when you're under here. They're sometimes flat, like you saw those middles were flat and I switched them. They come with Phillips now, Phillips flats. So you can use both. But old stuff is not always set up that way with the Phillips flats. That's it? Yeah? Help me guys. I'm almost at 10,000 subscribers. Been doing this for like 12 years. Feels like we never going to get there. 10 grand. Come on, baby. Help me out. Please like and subscribe because every little bit helps during these times. As always, I'm RJ Season Day each and every day. I'll put these testers in the description below. You can buy them. I'll try to see if Amazon has them the same as at like Walmart or wherever, or you got a hardware store, probably better, but it'll have everything you need. Switches, I'll put in a cheap Eaton, and I'll put that GE if I can find it. Screwdrivers, a nice Sheffield wire stripper is always come in handy. Okay. Said always wear safety goggles, so that's another thing you're gonna need if y'all watch my show. I never wear safety goggles. Does not mean that is the correct way. I'm just saying that's my way. All right, that's it. I think that's it. I hope it helps some of you. I know I'm gonna get a lot of bashes on this video, like electricians, whatever. Look, I ain't an electrician. I'm fixing my house. You know, most people can't afford to have somebody come in for $120 or more to switch out the switch. Some of y'all might be awesome and do it for like 60 to 80, but it's expensive to get a house call electrician. So there we go. I already said Season Day each and every day, but say it again. Just do it. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Part of my top drawer of my toolbox. It is a disaster. But see, that's where the wire tester was. Okay. Here's the other tester that I just put back, and I laid it in. And I was like, oh, what's that? Batteries? There's my nice tester. Yep. If it was a rattlesnake tester, I'd be dead. It would have bit me. I'm like, where is it? Where is it? I can't see it. Maybe I need to clean this drawer, but just so you know, I do clean it and set it up, and then I use it a bunch, and then it becomes this mess again. So that's where we are. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't get bit by your tester. It's right there in front of you.